So hello everyone, let's begin chapter 14 of commercial studies, that is purchasing and stores. What is purchasing? Purchasing is an activity concerned with the acquisition of product, that is purchase of product or obtaining of product, obtaining the right product in the right amount at the right time and at the right place. Purchasing is defined as function concerned with the search, selection, purchase, receipt, storage, requisition, issuing, and finally production of food in accordance with the catering policy of the hotel. Purchasing system, a method used by organization to buy products and services. A purchasing system manages the entire acquisition process from requisition to purchase order to product receipt to payment. So it starts with acquisition and ends with payment. Purchasing systems are a key component of effective inventory management in that they monitor existing stock and help companies determine what to buy, how much to buy, and when to buy. It is difference between purchasing and procurement. What is procurement? Procurement is the overall function that describes the activities and processes to acquire goods and services. Importantly and distinct from purchasing, procurement involves the activities involved in establishing fundamental requirements, sourcing activities such as market research and vendor evaluation, and negotiation of contracts. It can also include the purchasing activities required to order and receive goods. Purchasing refers to the process of ordering and receiving goods and services. It is a subset of the wider procurement process. That means procurement is a broader term. Purchasing comes under that. Generally, purchasing refers to the process involved in ordering goods such as request, approval, creation of the purchase, order, record, and the receipting of goods. I move on to the goals of purchasing. The goal of purchasing is not only to procure raw materials at the lowest price, but to reduce the cost of final product. For ensuring this, there are a large number of well-known parameters. Again, the goals of purchasing. First is right price. It is the primary concern of any organization, but right price doesn't have to be the lowest price. The objective should be to identify the lowest responsible bidder and not the lowest bidder. The technique of learning curve also helps the purchase agent to determine the price of items. Price negotiation also helps to determine the right prices. The continuation of goals of purchasing. Second is right time. This covers the entire duration of the material cycle and consists of lead time. The buyer also has to consider emergency situation like flood, strikes, etc. and prepare his plan according to it. Right source. The source from which the material is procured should be dependable and capable of supplying items of uniform quality. Source selection, source development, and vendor rating plays an important role in buyer-selling relationship. Next, again, continuation of goals of purchasing. Right material. Techniques such as value analysis will enable the buyer to locate the right material. Right mode of transport. Right mode of transportation have to be identified as this forms a critical segment in the cost profile of an item. And more importantly is the right attitude. Developing the right attitude too is necessary. The purchase manager should be innovative and his long-term objective should be to minimize the cost of the ultimate product. He will be able to achieve this if he aims himself with techniques such as value analysis, purchase research, SWOT analysis, that is strength, weakness, opportunity and threat, and purchase budget lead time analysis. I hope till here it is clear. Just read till wherever I have discussed. Hope to see you in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.